Welcome to my channel. DLinkap Local not working. In case if you are unable to access the DLinkap Local, can follow some given instructions. Try to access in any other web browser. Clear all the cache as well as history. Turn off your D-Link Wi-Fi range extender and wait for some time, then again restart it. If you are using a wired connection, be sure the LAN cable is inserted properly. Use any other device to access the admin portal. Check the internet connectivity. If internet not working, contact your ISP. In this way you can easily fix the problem, but still this step's not worked. Then you can go for hard reset. Reset D-Link Wi-Fi range extender. The reset process isn't easy, but be prepared to configure your extender again, because after resetting your device settings will set as default, you must need to configure it again. Follow the given steps to reset. To perform the hard reset, you must need to power on your D-Link Wi-Fi range extender. Wait for some time, until the LED indicators are blinking properly. After then, find the reset button and press it with a pin for 15 seconds and release it. You will notice that the indicators are started to flash and constantly, which means reset is done. Now your device is ready to set up again, and problem will solved. Thank you for watching.